Hey guys, Tech Timmy here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change Siri's voice / accent on an iPhone. So basically what you want to do is you want to go into your settings icon, and mine right now is in the top upper right here. Going to click on that. And then when you first come here, you're going to be on this big long settings screen, and you want to scroll down to where it says Siri and search. And you want to go in here, and now the setting is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down where it says Siri's voice. So right now I have it set up with this cool Australian female voice. But you can also change it to basically emulate a whole bunch of different accents here. So for instance, I think I'm actually going to switch over to the Irish brogue
I'm
for a little while.
Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
And then it'll give you an example. It's probably going to sound a little bit soft while I'm recording, but so this is an Irish woman, and I believe there's also a male voice as well. So you can, if you select this one.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Yeah, I don't know if you can hear it, but I think I'm definitely going back for my Australian.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Female friend, because I think this one's very cool. Anyway, so that's how you change. You can change Siri's voice into your favorite accent / language, location, and so forth. So anyhow, I hope this helps. I hope to see you in the next video. Please subscribe and follow for more tips. Thanks.